road trip 2020 dozer to Idaho. Thanks to this guy right here. Thank you, Alan, for helping me with that dozer.
Anytime, man, anytime.
Truck is running beautiful. All the extra work I did to that, we'll talk about that later. That'll be a whole nother video about the power stroke overheating issues. But she is pulling like a dream. Gooseneck trailer. And the old girl with her new cleats. We're just past Fallon, Nevada about an hour ago, and we'll be up in Idaho tonight. And so stay tuned. So. Yeah, road trip, guys.
This morning when you took off from the hotel, and I had my window down, and that exhaust of yours blows out exhaust like really well. It like filled the whole Land Rover up with this thick cloud.
Ham radio, guys. This is the way to communicate. We're out here in the middle of nowhere in Oregon right now, on the way up to our homestead, Hidden Valley Homestead. There is no cell reception out here, and we want to talk and have a chat. Not a CB, but a ham radio. We both have our licenses, so we're going, it's called Simplex, radio to radio, truck to truck. Yeah, this thing definitely puts out some smoke, especially missing that catalytic converter. That's an Idaho truck for you. I was going to tell you, don't have your outside air on if you're going to be behind me. I meant to say that earlier on in the trip.
Well, I've had it on the whole outside air, but it's, when you have the window down and the exhaust is facing right at it, it's not the ideal place to be.
Got the overhead console, ham radio. This thing works really, really well. Going through the Blues Mountains there. Look at them pretty snow-capped mountains. Oh man, we're making good time. We're gonna be there tonight. It only took us 2 days to get up here with this dozer. The truck is running great. 65 miles an hour. My temperatures are nice and cool. That was a big worry with this this Power Stroke diesel, and I know that Chad from 9 to 5 to Life is gonna make fun of me. He thinks that Cummins are sent from God, but Cummins wouldn't have been able to handle this trip. Take that, Mr. 9 to 5 to Life. If you guys haven't seen his channel, go check out his channel, by the way. We're almost there. Look at that. That's what a true friend is for. I'm gonna let my friend run the dozer before me. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Look at those cleats, how they bit in. Those grousers, man. Fantastic. Okay. It's in neutral now. You can leave that there. Straight down in the middle. Unless you want to go faster. This is your forward and reverse, but it's locked in neutral right now. So give it some RPM. There you go. You don't have to pull that hard on them. You got a death grip on those things. If you want to stop, just push the clutch in. not bad. Got a little bit of a pitch to it, so the water should run off now. And this is rock in here. If I can keep a little bit of a crown, it'd be nice, but it's hard. This thing doesn't angle all as far this way as it does this way. I get more of a corner cut on that one. So, all right, I'm gonna take some of this and push it over into that hole. Try and pack that in. Yeah, we gotta keep the water out of this section. I've been wanting to fix this part of the road for, well, 3 years now. There's a big lump right here, and then it dives into the hole, and then, yeah, it's horrible. Yeah, we got some great angle over there. I mean, the way the angled and everything, and it's flat and smooth. And well, I don't know about that, but yeah, this is ugly mess here. All right, guys, you can see right there that it got really mucky really fast. We had about 6 inches of snow on the ground, and it was actually melting pretty fast. And we had a little bit of rain. And so the water wasn't going away, and this spot I didn't drain the water properly first, and so it kind of turned into a big mud pile. And it was about a foot deep right there, and so I needed to let it dry out. So we stopped at this point. It was a great test for the dozer. We got the dozer up there, and that thing pushes dirt like nobody's business. It's going to be the perfect tool for fixing this road. So you can see the road and the condition that it's in with the ruts and the holes and the big dips and whatnot. Need to put a pitch in it, need to put a crown in it, and put some drainage in. So in a few more months, we're going to be back up there. Hopefully it'll be dry enough and I can fix that road. Once I get the crown in the road and get the drainage put in, I'm going to come back with my dump trailer. If you guys have been following along, you've seen that awesome dump trailer that I have. And stay tuned for some more videos of that. And we're going to get up there and spread some rock and some gravel on there. I'm going to have to put down some rock in the real low spots. We're going to put some roadbed cloth down to keep that rock from sinking down into the clay. And with the proper drainage, the water will go away from the road. Then I'll come back in with some probably 3/4 minus and put a nice topper coat on it. And this thing will be ready to go, and we won't have any problems with any more mud holes getting in and out of there. So stay tuned for those videos coming up. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.